Hi guys, my name is Niosha Mckenley and my design name is Nickey Destinee. Do vote for me by subscribing to the Jamaica Wedding channel right here on YouTube. Also visit the Helen G Events on Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to vote. Vote for Nickey Destinee. Now that has been said, let me tell you a bit about myself. I am from Spanish Town and I love designing, fashion, styling, drawing and even the art. I love playing around with fabrics to create patterns and designs. I also love sparkles, diamonds, things that just glow in the dark, and I implement these things into my designs. I just can't wait to show you all my design. Just stay tuned and vote for Nickey Destinee. Thank you. Bye.